Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can deploy Google AI Studio app on Vercel. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome, go to Google AI Studio, and on the left panel, click on Build, go to Applications. From here, select your application you would like to work with, all right? So for example, this. Then simply look for GitHub. I can look it up under settings, or it could be right over here, depending on the version you have. So I'm going to look for GitHub. Then you need to connect your GitHub account. So just log in, and once you have successfully integrated your account, it should now create a repository for you. You can now name this anything you want, and then create a GitHub repository. So just wait for this to finish. Make sure to double check this on GitHub itself. So I'm going to click on this. And there you go. It's now showing up right here. Next step would be to go to Vercel, log into your accounts. And on the home page, click over here. Add new, click on project. Then you will be prompted to import your Git repository over here. So just click on connect or log in, then go ahead, enter your credentials or import everything. And once done, go back here. You will now have this option to select which applications you would like to import. For example, I would like to choose this. Click on import, click on deploy, and of course make any necessary changes if needed on this section. And just wait for this to finish. And there you go. It will say congratulations, you just deployed a new project to your account on Vercel. Then you can double check your dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.